Students will come visit financial aid and awards if they are interested in applying for a student loan, applying for scholarships and bursaries, adult upgrading grants, or other grants that can help them fund their schooling. When students come to visit financial aid and awards, they should bring their student number, their student loan application number if they have one, information about the program that they're interested in, and any other information that can help us help you. If you'd like to visit Financial Aid and Awards, you can find us in the Student Services Department on the first floor of the main campus in Prince George. Our office number is 1-753, and you can call us at 250-562-5838 or email us at finaid@cnc.bc.ca.